Say goodbye to stubborn stains and messy cords with the BISSELL Cordless Portable Spot Cleaner. Powered by a 25-volt lithium-ion battery and a high-performance motor, this compact powerhouse delivers deep, cord-free cleaning power anywhere you need it. Whether you are lifting pet messes off the carpet, refreshing your couch, or detailing your car interior, its grab-and-go design makes spot cleaning completely effortless. You get customized cleaning modes and up to 35 minutes of continuous runtime to erase tough spills and set-in stains without ever searching for an outlet. It is lightweight, easy to store, and guaranteed to transform how you clean your home. Do not wait for your next spill to happen. Click the link in the video description right now to check the latest price and grab yours today on Amazon.